If you use Google Drive every day, knowing how to move files quickly can save you a ton of time and keep your folders organized. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to move files in Google Drive step by step, including how to move one file or multiple files at once. This is perfect if you want to clean up your drive, sort documents into the right folders, or keep your work and personal files separated. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Drive in your browser and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're inside Drive, take a moment to find the file or files you want to move. You can move a single file, or you can move several files together to save even more time. If you want to select multiple files, hold down Ctrl on Windows or Command on Mac while clicking each file. You can also use Shift if the files are next to each other in the list. After you've selected the file or files, right-click on the selection. A menu will appear with several options, and this is where the main action happens. From that menu, click Move To. This tells Google Drive that you want to send the selected item to a different folder or location. Now Google Drive will show you a folder window. Here, choose the destination folder where you want the file to go. You can browse through your folders, open the folder you need, and make sure you pick the correct location before continuing. If you don't see the folder right away, take your time and navigate through your drive until you find it. Picking the right folder is important, especially if you're keeping files organized for school, work, or team projects. Once you've selected the folder, click Move to confirm. Google Drive will instantly move the file into that folder. If you moved multiple files, they'll all go to the chosen destination together. That's it. The file is now in its new location. If you ever need to double-check where it went, just open the destination folder and make sure the file is there. You can also use the search bar in Google Drive if you want to quickly find it again. One helpful tip is to move files into folders with clear names so you can find everything faster later. Another thing to remember is that moving a file in Google Drive does not delete it. It simply changes the folder location. So if you accidentally move something, you can always move it again to the correct place. This makes it a really safe way to organize your content without losing anything. And if you're working with lots of files, a good habit is to move them into folders as soon as you upload them. That way your drive stays clean and easy to manage. A little organization now can save you a lot of searching later. So now you know how to move files in Google Drive in just a few clicks. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.